So we are making today the pattern of go-red skirt. Go-red skirt is a paneled skirt which may have 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 or any number of panels, and it has been attached to create a complete skirt. So here we are creating the skirt with the 8 go-reds, right? So for that, what we need to do, first we have to take a line AB. Here AB is equal to, we are using 1 inch is equal to 4 inch scale. Now you know the meaning and I don't have to explain it again and again. So I am here taking a line of 6 inches, 24 inches, and I'll just mark it as line AB. This is A and this is B. Let's write this. AB is a line which is on fold and is of 24 inches. That means skirt length minus 1 inch for the belt, right? Now we'll mark a point C we'll mark a point C as AC is equal to all round waist plus half inch divided by number of panels into 2. That means now what we have to do, we have to divide 26.5 by 16. It would be 1.66 inches around. You can calculate it through calculator. So I have already calculated, it is 1.66 inches. Right, now we'll mark a point D. Here A to D is equal to 7 inches by hip level minus 1 inch. That means 7 inches, right? So now again we have to mark a point E as D to E all round hips plus half inch for ease, or up to you, even here you can add 1 inch, depends how loose you wear the garments. Number of go-reds into 2, right? So what will be, but it will be 36.5 divided by 16. It will be 2.28 inches around. So here I have taken 2.28 inches, right? Now what we'll do, we'll just join these two lines and extend this to the 24 inches. we'll just C to E, join just C to E and extend this to 24 inches. This point is F. Right. So what we have done, we have joined C to E and extended to F as CF is equal to 24 inches. Why? Because as same the reason as was with AB. 24 inches cut length minus 1. And now we just have to join this to this with a smooth curve. This is on fold. This is the grain straight, and we need 8 cut of this piece, right? This is one variety of paneled skirt. We'll arrange all these 8 panels. We'll just stitch this 8 panels and we will get the full skirt. But here you will find that the fullness of skirt or the hemline of the skirt will not be that wide, because it has a less circumference, or you can say it is just 4 inches, right? So 4 into 2, that is 8 into 8, 64 inches fullness you will get at the hem of the skirt. But if you want more fullness, what you have to do, you just have to join this to this. It's okay. Up till this, so it is okay. We don't have to consider the point F. What we have to do, we have to just mark it as fullness we require. Or do one thing, I'll just create a new pattern for you. It will be clear for you with you. Take the same pattern as we have done here. A to B is 24 inches, A to D is equal to 7 inches, A to C is equal to 1.66 inches, D to E is equal to 2.28 inches. Now we will just join D to C to E. This two will join, but from here point B will mark a point. It would be perpendicular to point B, and it may be 8 to 10 inches. Here I am taking 10 inches to give a good fullness to the skirt. This is F. In that case, B F is equal to 8 to 10 inches, not fixed. This is desired thing. How much fullness you require in your skirt, it will depend upon this. Now what we'll do, we'll just join this to this. We'll join E to F. But now, just to give the shape, because otherwise it would not be possible to get a proper shape, because when we'll increase the fullness, so definitely this and this length will increase. So we have to give shape to this particular skirt at the hemline. So what we have to do, we have to measure D to B. It is 17 inches. So here also we have to mention 17 inches, and we have to mark a point G. Here EG is equal to DB is equal to 17 inches. Why it is 17 inches? Our total length was 24. 7 inches has been decreased for the hip length, and rest is 17 inches, right? And now what we'll do, we'll mark a center point here, that is at 5 inches. H is mid of BF, and now we'll join this to smooth curve and just join B to E to G also. Again the things are same as here. This is the on-fold line, this is the grain line, and we have to take 8 cut of this piece, and when we'll join, we'll get a good skirt, just like a circular skirt, but its advantage is it will be fit at the hip level also. It will be fit from waist to hip, and then it will get the flare, which is a very unique thing about this skirt, that is the Gored skirt. You can increase or decrease the flare as per your taste or as per your requirement. So next skirt that we are going to learn is goated skirt. Let's see what the goated skirt is. Now let's see the process of goated skirt. What we have done here, we have just traced the basic pattern of skirt block. Again we are making it for 18 years, scale is 1:4, and stencil we required is basic skirt block, which we have traced already. Right, now we have to decide how much goated we want to add in our skirt. What is the difference between the panelled or the Gored skirt and the goated skirt? Goated skirt is the entirely panelled, but goated skirt is a skirt where we used to add a wedge to add the fullness to the skirt, to the hemline. Right, so what we'll be doing, first we will be deciding ki how long goated we will be requiring. So the skirt length is 24 inches, so we will be adding the goated of 16 inches, let's say. If you want to add it through from the hip, so it would be 17 inches, but otherwise it is up to you. Here I am using, let's say, 12 inches. That's up to me, right? So here I have taken a point which is 12 inches and 12 inches, and what we'll do, we'll just mark a imaginary line at this place. So this skirt will give you a look of fish cut skirt, because it will be fitted at the upper level up till 5 inches below the hip, and then it will start the fullness, right? So this is done. Now what we'll do, we have to decide how much godets we are requiring. We require here, we are making here of 8 godets, let's say, again, right? So 4 godets here, 4 godets here, so 2 at the each, this is the half of the front, 2 here, 2 backside, 2 here, 2 backside. So I will just drop up, because this has been divided into 6 equal parts. So here I am dropping I will just divide this into 3 equal parts, this again 3 equal parts, it is around 10 inches, so that means 3 inches each, 3.33 inches. And draw a perpendicular from here and from here. We have to slash these lines. We just have to slash these lines, 2 at the front, slash. 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 Right, and here we have to add the wedge. Now let's say make the wedge. To make the wedge, what we'll do, we just have to take a line of 12 inches to make the godet. We are taking a line A, B, here A, B, is equal to 12 inches, not fixed, it is desirable, but it should be below knee. Maximum it may be 17 in this case, or minimum as what you like, right? Some of the people, even they do take this much of the fullness at this place only, they want the fullness, and it gives a very good ruffle effect if you will create this, right? Now we'll mark a point C. C is the amount of fullness that you require. See, here will get less fullness. Here I am taking 4 inches. B to C, 4 inches. Again, this is not fixed, this is desirable, but here I am taking 4 inches. Why? Because already these amount also will be added into this. So this that means 4 inch, that does mean 8 inch. When it will open, so it will be 8 inches. So in that way it is sufficient amount that you can add to the skirt. And now we can just join this to A, right? What we'll do, we'll just mark a point D where AD is equal to AB is equal to 12 inches, just to give shape, and we'll give the shape to the godette. This is on fold, this is grain line, and we require 8 cut of this. What we'll do, we'll give a slash to this area, we'll add this to here, slash to this area, add this to here, slash to this area, add this to here, and in that way we can add 8 wedges or 8 godettes in the skirt. Or it is always desirable, and it is always your desire only how much points you want to add to the skirt. So this is all about godette and godette skirt. In the next video again we'll meet with some new skirts. Until then, bye bye, and thank you for watching this video, friends.